Hi friends, today we are doing lesson number 21 in uhhibu arabiya book 2. The lesson's name is alaudin والبحر, which means Alaudin and the sea. So let's get started. So today we are doing lesson 21, which is Alaudin والبحر, which means Alaudin and the sea. So let's get reading. The first one, يقف الرجل أمام البحر, which means the man is standing in front of the sea. هو يصطاد السمكة, he is catching the fish. الشبكة الآن في الماء, so the net is in the water. السمك كثير هنا, the fish are many over there. تخرج الشبكة من الماء, so the fishing net is taken out from the water. هي تحمل سمكا كثيرا, so it is carrying many fish. الرجل سعيد الآن, so the man is happy now. هو يأخذ السمك إلى السوق, so he is taking the fish to the market. So now مفردات الجديد, which means new words. عملاق, which means giant. صيادة, which means fisherman. دخان means smoke. قدر, pot. قصر, which means castle. ذهب, gold. نقود, money. هذا رجل غني, this is a rich man. هذا رجل فقير, this is a poor man. يرمي الولد الكرة, which means the boy is throwing the ball. يجر الصياد الشبكة, so the fisherman is pulling the net. الفلاح يقتل الثعبان, the farmer is killing the snake. الشمس تظهر, the sun has risen. الشمس يختفي, the sun is setting. So now we are going to do qissa, which means story. So the name of the story is Alaudin والبحر, Alaudin and the sea. Alaudin صياد فقير, so Alaudin is a poor fisherman. حمل علاءالدين شبكة في الصباح, which means Alaudin is carrying the fishing net in the morning. ذهب علاءالدين إلى البحر, so Alaudin is going to the sea. Alaudin went to the sea. اقترب من الماء ورمى الشبكة ليصطاد السمكة, so he is approaching the water and threw the net to catch the fish. انتظر علاءالدين وجر الشبكة, so which means Alaudin waited and جرة, which means pull the net. هي ثقيلة جدا, it is very heavy. فتح علاءالدين الشبكة ونظر, so Alaudin opened the net and saw. هذه قدر كبير, this is a big pot. ماذا في هذا القدر, what is in the pot? فتح علاءالدين القدر, so Alaudin opened the pot. خرج الدخان أسود وملأ السماء, so black smoke came out and filled the sky. ظهر عملاق ضخم وسط الدخان, which means an enormous giant emerged in the middle of the smoke. خاف علاءالدين وسقط على الأرض, so Alaudin got scared and fell on the ground. قال عملاق لعلاءالدين, so the giant said to Alaudin, لماذا فتحت القدر, why did you open the pot? سأقتلك الآن, so I'm going to kill you now. قال علاءالدين, so Alaudin said, أنت عملاق ضخم, you are an enormous giant. كيف دخلت في هذا القدر, how did you enter this pot, the small pot? ضحك ضحك العملاق ودخل القدر. So the giant laughed and entered the pot. أغلق علاء القدر. So Alaudin closed the pot quickly بسرعة. سمع علاء صوت العملاق. So Alaudin heard the voice of the giant. افتح القدر. Open the pot. سأعطيك ذهبا ونقودا وسنبني لك قصرا جميلا. So I am going to give you a gold and money. I am going to build you a beautiful palace. فتح علاء القدر. So Alaudin opened the pot. خرج الدخان الأسود وملأ السماء. So the black smoke left or appeared and filled the sky. ظهر العملاق ضخم وبسط الدخان. So again the enormous giant emerged in the middle of the smoke. خاف علاء وسقط على الأرض. So he was afraid, Alaudin was afraid and fell on the ground. So in this exercise we have to answer the question. So the first one is لماذا رمى الشبكة? So why did he throw the net? So رمى الشبكة ليصطاد السمك. So he threw the net to catch the fish. So in this exercise you're going to learn لماذا, which means why, and because you have to write li. Okay. لماذا ركب الحافلة? Why did he ride the bus? ركب الحافلة ليذهب إلى المدرسة. So he rode the bus to go to the school. لماذا ذهب إلى الملعب? So why did he go to the playground? ذهب إلى الملعب ليرى المباراة. So he went to the playground to watch the match. لماذا ذهب إلى حديقة الحيوانات? Why did he go to the zoo? ذهب إلى حديقة الحيوانات ليرى الحيوانات. He went to the zoo to look at the animals. So now in this lesson, in this exercise, you have to again fill up, the example is given over here. سأعطيك ذهبا ونقودا. So which means I am going to give you gold and money. So we see a bat and a ball. So we have to say سأعطيك كرة ومضربا. So I am going to give you a ball and a bat. سأعطيك كتابا وقلما. I am going to give you a book and a pen. سأعطيك مظلة ونظارة. I am going to give you an umbrella and sunglasses. سأعطيك خبزا و صندوق. So I am going to give you bread and a box. سأعطيك تفاحا وماء. I am going to give you apple and water. So the next exercise, we have been given some present tense verb. So we have to fill in the right verb in the right sentences. So the first one is يجر الصياد شبكة, which means the fisherman is pulling the net. So we can see it. So here we have to match it. يرمي الولد الكرة في السلة. So which means the boy is throwing the ball in the net. So this is the picture and we have to match it. تملو المرأة الكوب بالعصير. So the lady is filling the cup with juice. So this is the picture. تختفي الشمس خلف السحاب. So the sun is hiding behind the clouds over here. And يقتل الرجل الثعبان, which means the man is killing the snake, and that is over here. Now in the next exercise we have to choose any three pictures and we have to write it in the given form. Okay, the first one is اشتري القصر لي أسكن فيه. So I bought a palace. So you can see the palace here. لي أسكن فيه, in order to stay in it. Okay, so I'm going to choose three and I'm going to make sentence similar way. اشتري الكرة القدم لألعب بها. So I'm going to buy the football to play with it. اشتري الدراجة لأركب بها. So I bought the cycle to ride with it. اشتري نظارة لأرى بها. So I bought the glasses to look with it. So the next exercise is fill in the blanks with the given word, and also you have to fill it in the crossword here. So يسكن الرجل الغني في القصر الكبير. So the rich man is staying in the big palace. في المطبخ دخان كثير. So in the kitchen is a big smoke. التاجر عنده نقودا كثيرا. So with the trader is a lot of money. يصطاد الرجل سمكة من البحر. So the man is catching the fish from the sea. تضع المرأة القدر على النار. So the lady is putting the pot on the fire. لون الذهب أصفر. So the color of the gold is yellow. So the next exercise is ماذا تطلب. So what are you going to seek? So فتحت القدر. So you opened a pot. فخرج العملاق, and came out a giant. وقال لك, and the giant said to you, اطلب 5 أشياء وتحب. That means, like, seek 5 things which you love. So ماذا تطلب من عملاق. So what are you going to seek from him, from the giant? So you have to choose 5 things, and you have to choose it wisely. So أطلب بيت كبير. I seek a big house. أطلب نقود كثير. I seek a lot of money. أطلب حلويات كثيرة. I choose a lot of sweets. أطلب ألعاب كثير. I choose a lot of toys. أطلب عصائر كثير. I choose a lot of juice. So that's all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like and share with your friends. Thank you.